Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 14th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So on the US dollar index, we continued to push down. We went below the 78%. Now, if this is the end of a wave Y, which I'm still trading it like it may be, even though we do have an alternative that could have it going up, then the first wave down potentially should be a wave one. Most of the time, wave one ends around the low of the previous structure, which is over here. So I still think there's a chance we might get another, lower high on this 4-hour time frame and continue to push down closer to this structure level before we go up and make a much bigger move to the upside for a possible wave two. So anyways, going down to the 1-hour time frame, I don't have any fibs on this level yet, but if it does break this high right here, then I will definitely know that this trend right here is over. First thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on there, and I would observe the market to see if it makes like a three-wave pullback, something like this, one, two, three waves up, and then a Fibonacci retracement bounce for possible more entries to go short on the US dollar, or possible entries to trade the dollar pairs themselves based on this US dollar analysis. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.